What if Elon Musk's next trillion-dollar idea is an army of humanoid robots that could one day outnumber humans? This isn't a movie trailer. Musk revealed plans that could change the global economy, starting with Tesla's Optimus robot. At Tesla's shareholder day, Musk stated Optimus isn't just a side project, it's the future of Tesla. Imagine a robot doing almost any physical job, 24/7, without pay or breaks. Musk says we're heading toward that reality faster than anyone thinks. Optimus prototypes can already walk and perform simple assembly tasks. Within a few years, they'll be doing real work in Tesla's factories, eventually replacing human workers. Musk predicts Tesla could make 1 million Optimus units a year, each selling for around $20,000. That's a potential $20 billion in annual sales, but it's just the beginning. If these robots replace human labor worldwide, Musk believes they could create over $1 trillion in value. He compared it to the Model T moment in robotics, redefining industries and global GDP. Critics worry about massive unemployment and social challenges from replacing human workers with robots. Musk argues this frees people from boring jobs, allowing them to focus on creativity and personal growth. He calls it a world of abundance, where robots handle the grind. This transformation could happen fast. Tesla is giving these robots brains powered by the same AI that drives Tesla's cars. Optimus can see, learn, and react in real time using Tesla's neural network, sharing digital memory. The more they work, the smarter they all get. Musk calls this the single biggest value creation event in history. If he's right, this could change what it means to work, earn, and live in the 21st century. Elon Musk isn't slowing down. He's betting the next industrial revolution will be powered by Optimus. Hit follow to stay up to date in the AI world. Thanks for watching.